Alright, what is good, YouTube? It's Hoyt with the balisonger. I got Falcon in, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing and review. This is the only thing I've ever flipped on, by the way, so this will be, honestly, from an amateur standpoint, I'll try to update this channel with just more content, because honestly, like, I couldn't find a shit ton of content on this knife. Not like a lot of really good content. This is the Falcon by the way. And yeah, I haven't been really just posting a lot, mostly just because I don't like flipping on the $5 thing. Just been waiting for this knife. So I'm gonna show you how it is out of the box, or the case which it came in. This is freshly unpacked. I haven't touched this. Okay, bet I got extra hardware. I didn't ask, so that's nice. I got a T10. Nice. It's pretty tall compared to what I've flipped. That's the first thing I obviously notice. A lot taller. For sure taller when you're in person. Light tap. It's for sure light. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of wiggle. If you see me looking in the back here, I have a mirror behind the camera, by the way. A little bit of wiggle. Little bit of play. Let me see, what's the, I can't really tell what the bite in the blade is. I would assume the longer side. Super clean flip. Let me stand up here. I'll move this chair out of the way. Could really hit some flips here. It's mad light. This is heavier. This is definitely a heavier flip. I'm not sure if the blue or purple is the blade or the bite, to be honest. I assume maybe the purple is. It's really different from what I'm used to. It's super clean though. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of getting the hang of it now. Sounds really nice. After a few flips. I'm not even good at fanning, so really amateur here, sorry. I can only like 8-ball and helix mostly. I could blender. Yup. Way easier to blender on this thing. I can't tell if I have, like, maybe I should get a cloth, but my blade almost looks like, I think it's oily, a little oily. I don't know if you can see this texture, like right down here. I did kind of wipe it with my finger, especially down by the blade. There's like moisture. I don't know if you can see. So I don't know if it's oiled. It feels really nice though. Way different than what I'm used to, for sure. Much lighter. I feel what they're saying with the handle bias. It's definitely a little handle heavy. Like, I can for sure feel how the handles are dominant, if that makes sense. You get a nice sound right there. fairly good sound. I'm honestly liking it. It's super light. First drop. Feels a little weird hitting an aerial on it, but getting used to it. Yeah, I'm really liking the sound on this, honestly. The more you just flip it around, it just like, it really does have a nice sound. It sounds, I've watched a lot of videos on this. It sounds a lot, it does sound similar. It's kind of just like this, it's a little muted. It's like a muted type of tap. I have a Monarch coming in, which I think is titanium. So I do want to try a Chab though. Chabs have a really nice sound. You can hear rings in videos. I think those would have a more like less muted sound. It could be the Zen pins on this. I don't actually know. But yeah, this feels really nice. Again, compared to what I've been flipping here, this thing is honestly like just miles better. It's so easy to hit stuff like the 8-ball. The blender was like mad easy. Yeah, just like, it just feels like super natural in your hands. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, you really can just use any side of the trader blade for real. Like, you could really just go 8-ball to 8-ball, honestly, and it would be it'd be fine. But yeah, I'm glad I got this early. I'm definitely gonna honestly just take this thing apart. I'm gonna clean everything. Because I have my own oil, I have Loctite and stuff, and I'm just going to be really gentle and Loctite it so it's ready for tomorrow. But what else? See if I remember anything else I could put in this review. Might help y'all out. Oh yeah, so here actually is the knife, sorry. The blade. I don't know. I guess this longer side is the safe handle. So I've been using the purple as my safe handle. See if I get that again. Oh. Whew. Can't get this, man. I guess maybe it's a little stiff with all that factory glue. Like, I don't know. I don't honestly know. Again, I'm more of an amateur here, so I just can describe it as like I guess it could feel looser. It feels like, honestly though, like still just miles better in the state it's in than anything else I've used, for sure. Super duper light. I can I'll get my scale, and I'll post in the description the actual weight of this thing, for y'all. Barely like squeezes together. Damn, yeah, this thing just feels honestly great. Whew. I got slippery hands. Ooh. See if I get that here. I'm gonna scratch this thing so quick. Yeah, for sure, I would recommend this. This is honestly just wild. I don't know if it like looks as good on camera, but it's so ridiculously like clean flipping. I love it. Alright, that'll probably be it for this review, honestly. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what was up with this. Super nice. Comes with a case. Mine came with spare hardware. I saw on there you had to get spare hardware. The blue and purple looks really nice. I think it's really swaggy. I like colors, so I was like, let me get the most color I can on it. Whew. I love doing these tricks on this thing. It just feels super natural. Way more consistent than my other one. I can actually like really feel it when I can't hit the turn on these. And the grip's super helpful. Oof. Really not used to the weight on this. It's so much lighter than this this Amazon flipper like this. I really know the weight on this fairly well. Geez, I've already been flipping this so long, my hand's flipping back, but a lot more what I'm used to because I've really flipped that just for so long at this point that this is so weird. I cannot hit any of these aerials on it. But yeah, that'll be all. I'll be posting more clips with this thing obviously soon, so stay tuned. And I'll have more reviews for, I got a G10 clone coming, I got a Monarch V1, and then I have a Firefly V2 coming, so expect reviews on those. I'll see you guys.